Well everyone, Sawtooth here again, and today we're in Lebanon, Ohio. We're going to see a steam train go through here. Lebanon is a town with a population of 20,727 and it covers about 13 square miles. It's been a couple years since the steam train came through here. The last steam train to go through here was the same one that we're going to see today. The little 060 side tank locomotive owned by the Gramlings out of Indiana. The father and son team. It took 10 years for them to restore this locomotive to operating condition. And they're going to be running right by me. So go ahead and start the video, son. It's be a good one. And right now I'm at the Lebanon Freight Yard. You got 3 tracks here. This is pretty cool. You got the main track right in the middle. And then you've got the siding on the right where they can run around the train, put locomotives or store any kind of railroad cars. And then you've got this track here. This track here is just used for the little speeders. A lot of times they'll store a couple speeders on this track right here. It's not connected at either end, but they still do use it. And then the main train station is right over there. And that train's gonna be coming this way. It'll be backing up across the road towards me. The steam locomotive's on the other end of it. So they'll reverse for about a little bit over 3 miles, and they'll come back with the steam locomotive pulling the train into the station. Keep the video going, son.
.126, crew boarded. Clear for 15.
There they go, southbound. Let's go catch them again somewhere.
Yard limit. Clear for 15 cars.
Wow, that was cool. They only go about another half a mile here. They got one more crossing, another half mile, and they stop and they go back the other way. There they go. Ah, but wait, there's more. Of course always is. Here they come. They only go about 3 1/4 miles, something like that. Then they stop and they go back the other way that they came from. So here they come. Okay, well, there you go. They'll go about 3 1/4 miles, something like that. They're getting ready to stop right now and they'll come back this other way. So we'll catch them going back a couple spots. This is pretty awesome. They're just about to stop right now. Pretty cool. Let's catch them going back the other way a few spots. All right, and for my final shot, I'm at the very south end of the 3-track Lebanon freight yards right there. Look at that locomotive sitting there in nickel plate. That is cool. And here they come. There they go, coming into the station. By the way, they use 161.385 megahertz. That was cool. Okay, everyone, it's hot out here. Thanks for watching. That was really cool. Just now coming into the very north end of the track here at the train station. Like I said, this is the yard here, Lebanon Yards, right here. 3 tracks. 1 track up there that's got that wheel section sitting on the right. You can't put engines or freight cars on that, obviously, because it's not hooked up to the main line here. But they do use that track. I've seen them put speeders on there quite a bit. Last time when I filmed here a couple years ago, they had 2 speeders sitting on that siding. So here you are. Lebanon Yards. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Watch another video if you have time. Every view really helps my channel. That's what supports my channel. So we'll see you later. Another cool day on the railroad. That dog likes to play. Look at that. She's strong too.
You pick her up.
I hear her growling.
She's choking on this.
Uh,
He's swallowing some.
what are you doing, Chessie? Hi, Chessie. What are you doing?
Saw that.
That's what Chessie does. Her job is to have fun.
She's choking on it.
She's getting tired.
Choking on it too.